Hello. Greetings to everyone who watching this video. To monitor the progress of this channel, I installed the following extension, so that I can get some very useful information to monitor the progress of my channel. For mobile phone, I use the application downloaded from Google Play Store. Here is the website. There is the following information, and I am still in the process of learning more about the usefulness of this site for the progress of my YouTube channel. If you are interested in using this website, please register and connect it to your YouTube channel. And for those who are interested in doing endorsements, recommendations, promotions, affiliations or referrals to visit the website, please contact me. Thank you for watching.